What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is the last round this year for the SCCA autocross event, and of course I'm gonna come out and make it. I brought the E46 M3 and I'm gonna give it my best to see if I can actually finish in the top 3 today, but if I don't, it's okay. I'm here for fun and I'm ready. So I'm gonna let them set up and see if I can help out a little bit, and then after that we will go to the track map and a walkthrough of the course, and then from there we'll kick it off. So stay tuned. So if you know my shop mate Eric, he had a Ford Fiesta ST. Now he upgraded to a big boy toy. He got himself a brand new Supra. Look at this bad boy. He brought it out today and he hardly has any miles on it. So he says he's gonna break it in. So it'll be interesting to see how well he does. But this is a beautiful car. I've never seen one in real life before. Wow, it's very nice. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Start it up. Oh yeah. So I was giving him shit about getting a Supra because, you know, I told him that he's actually a BMW lover in denial. But he gave me a bunch of excuses that, you know, oh, Toyota did this, Toyota did that. But we all know this is a BMW. But it's actually, you know, got good headroom in here and everything. And, you know, it's a little bit smaller than I imagined. But, you know, for a 2-seater sports car, it's just fine. Feels really good. It actually feels like a BMW to me. The interior, the way it's kind of laid out, kind of reminds me of a BMW. It's very cool. Let's pop the hood. How many miles you got on it?
1,400.
Oh, okay. So it's broken in for the most part.
Well, I bought it in Chicago and then drove it down here.
Right. So, okay. All right.
That was the 750.
Alright guys, so this is the track map for today, and it's got both fast corners and some technical stuff. So I really need to walk down this track because it looks a little technical and I don't want to miss any turns. But we're going to start right here, and then it opens up nice and fast. This is the light pole, so it starts off pretty quick and it gets a little bit tight right here where you slow down and then you open back up, and then from here you go into some kinks. And then it's got like kind of an awkward little corner right here, so I need to pay attention to cones very carefully, and then from there it kind of opens back up down to the finish line. So very cool. I'm happy with the layout and excited to try it out. So I'll wait for them to finish setting up the cones, and then we'll do a walkthrough of the course, and then from there it's showtime. Alright guys, it's time to go ahead and do our best and see how well we do. A lot of people are getting lost in the back area. I can see why. It's a little confusing when you get towards the back end. Guys, I don't feel so bad anymore. It looks like a lot of people are messing up. It is technical in the back section and you can get lost very easily. And still, when I went out there to do the corner working, watching other people do it, I was getting confused still, but I think I got it down. So the next 4 sessions, I'm gonna try my very best to put down some hot laps and not hit any cones and not mess up, and hopefully I can come out okay. So we got a passenger riding along with us today. Lovely Miss Rue. Hopefully I can get through it without hitting any cones.
Did you hit one?
No, I don't think so.
I didn't see you hit anything.
So you hit my marks. Put down a hot lap.
You're good.
Sloppy. That was kind of sloppy.
You're good.
Alright guys, so my best time out of those 4 runs was a 50.4, and it's not bad, but it ain't really good because I looked at Eric's time and he was in the 40s, so he's killing me in that Supra, I'll tell you that much. But he's not having the shift, he's leaving it in auto and letting the computer do the work. But anyway, happy with it. There was a couple of sections where I decided to use the first gear, and it seemed like it was helping my time out because it was just a little too tight for second gear to carry on. So whenever I did that, a couple of runs, I ended up messing up the shifting. So it is what it is, live and learn. But proud of the E46 M3, it did a job well done. So we're gonna let these guys go ahead and do their run, and then we'll see how well we pan out for the day.
First place was Wong.
Our next class was street touring. Let's see, in 3rd place we had Robert Browning. Robert, it was your 2nd time with us, right?
Yeah.
Well done, my friend.
Cool car.
43550. Keep coming out, okay? Number 2 was Shannon Petrie. Where's Shannon? Oh, there you are. Woohoo! 31749. Shannon was not impressed with the course today.
It was difficult.
It was different than the last time.
It was, but it was fun nonetheless. It was good.
First place, Annie, like, I don't know if y'all saw him, he like skirted in last second. Jaden Kiernan was a 48.83. So, woohoo! Good job, Jaden. In this class and in trophy for this one.